everybody, it's David Bott here from Outside Our Bubble, coming to you to talk about a little bit about black tank cleanout and what you can do with the Wastemaster hose system that you can't do with an ordinary hose. Now, in my past videos, you may have come across a video with me talking about the Wastemaster hose system. This is the only hose that I endorse. That's because it works. It's industrial and it's a cam lock fitting versus the bayonet fitting, which is then leak proof. It's so leak proof, if I was to shut this valve, I can't pull this hose out. Pretty cool, huh? So what I'm going to talk about today, though, is that one of the functions of this hose that you can't do with other hoses, and that is backwash your black tank. You're saying, what? I'm saying, yep, blackwash your black tank. So first I'm going to open this up to make sure it's all good to go, and we're going to dump the black tank. So follow me over here. So basically, I'm just going to dump our black tank. And you can see right there, it's going down. You should be able to see that. And the black tank is currently dumping right now. So while it's doing that, we'll just talk about the hose system. The cam lock system is right here. It uses a cam lock fitting, just to recap quickly on this hose. And it is an airtight system and leak proof. And this hose is industrial. I've had this hose now for 1.5 years, and it still looks brand new. So it's like a really cool system. And then if you have to go back to a bayonet fitting for some reason, they have an adapter to switch you back to the bayonet. See? So it's a great hose system. It's like one of those hose systems you buy once, and then you don't have to worry about buying another hose again. And this is the only one I recommended and have recommended for quite some time. So look up the Wastemaster. I'll put a link down in the YouTube video below that'll bring you right to that product. But so what we're going to do here is, and that's why I'm talking to you now, is we're going to back flush the black tank using the gray water. Now what I mean by that is I let the gray tank get full, and you can see the gray tank's at 100%. So going back to the gray here, or the black, excuse me, the gray tank's at 100%. The black tank is pretty much empty. So what I'm going to do is go over here now, and all I'm going to do is, now remember, the black tank is still open. It's open over there. I'm going to shut this valve. So the black tank is still open. And because this is so airtight and everything, and I got a shut-off valve down there, all I'm going to do now is open the gray tank. And what that's going to do is the water has nowhere to go but down here and back into the black tank. And what it's going to do, since the tanks are on the same level, it's going to equalize the tanks and basically put 50% of that gray water into the black tank, so efficiently pushing and doing a backwash on the black tank. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and hit the gray button. It opens up. It has nowhere to go. So now it's going back through here. And you can see the gray is going down. It has nowhere to go. This tube is now totally full. It has nowhere to go over there, so it can only go backwards through here. And so you can see the gray is equaling out to 58 there, and we'll see the black is going to go up. See, it's going up 29, 33. So it actually is efficiently backwashing through there. So now, once I figure, you don't really hear it swooshing anymore, so no more pressure is being added. Now I can close the gray tank, or you can just do this manually like most of you would have. And then you come back over here, and you see all the crap literally in here? Well, when I open this, now the black tank is again emptying out from all the gray water that just backwashed through there. You can also see at the same time, we're getting more crap out of the tank, which is perfect. That's what we want to do. So that's backwashing. And as soon as this is done, as soon as it's done draining again, all I'm going to do is go over, shut the black tank like I normally would, open the gray tank, and let the gray tank finish flushing out. So there you go. That's a tip on how to backwash your tank using the Wastemaster hose system. Oh, and also one other thing, before somebody says, hey, you're going to put your black tank into your gray tank. No, you're not. That's why you empty the black tank first, because then the water has nowhere to go but from the gray tank but into the black tank, and not the other way around, because the water pressure is going to come from the gray tank and not the other way, because there's nothing in the tank. Hope that makes sense. In any case, I'm Dave Bott, and that's your black tank reverse backwash suggestion using the Wastemaster hose system. If you don't have one of these, get one of these. You're going to thank me later. In fact, I've had people come and thank me who've met me in person. It's really cool as far as hoses go. Dave Bot Outside Our Bubble, and if you like what we do, please click subscribe. And also click the thumbs up too, that helps us in our rankings. We appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you on the road. Bye! Yep, we talked more crap about crap. Later.